In recent years, the fantasy sports betting industry has seen exponential growth. Be it Dream 11, CBS Sports Fantasy, or FanDuel, sports betting apps have captured the attention of millions of users who are actively participating in online sports betting leagues and tournaments. If we talk about stats, fantasy sports generated $18.6 billion in 2019 and is expected to reach $48.6 billion by 2027. This growing industry has opened doors for many entrepreneurs who want to invest in this lucrative business. In today's video, we'll discuss all the important details that you want to know regarding fantasy sports betting app development. Let's get started and understand the fantasy sports betting app development process. Step-by-step process to build fantasy sports betting app. Step 1. Research and competitor analysis. A thorough understanding of your target market, the issues they experience, and how your app may address those issues is crucial. Maintaining an edge in the fantasy sports market requires analyzing your rivals. Step 2. Choosing the right platform and development approach. Choosing the right platform depends on the audience you want to target and the budget to develop an online fantasy sports app. You can develop your sports betting app for Android, iOS, or both. Step 3. Hire the top fantasy sports app development company. It's time to contact the top fantasy sports app development company once you have completed thorough market research, chosen a platform, and developed a development strategy. Hire the top leading fantasy sports betting app development opportunists that will guide you at each and every step. Step 4. Creating an effective UI/UX design. A well-designed UX/UI will make your app look better and improve navigation, user engagement, and ultimately conversion rates. Always keep your target audience in mind while developing your app and cater to their preferences to stay ahead from the rest of the pack of rivals. Step 5. Programming and development. Your fantasy sports app is now starting to come to life. This includes choosing the appropriate tech stack for your app, developing the front and back ends, setting up databases, and integrating APIs and other services as required. Step 6. Launch and maintenance. It is crucial to maintain your fantasy sports app updated once it has been released in the iOS and Android app stores in order to meet the needs of your intended audience. Your software must receive regular upkeep and upgrades to stay functional and to fix any bugs or security flaws. Let's now discuss what would be the cost to develop a fantasy sports betting app. If we talk about the cost of developing a fantasy sports betting app, then there's no fixed cost for it. It is due to the fact that developing the app depends on several factors, which are number and complexity of features, tech stack, platform, team or staff. These are only a few of the many variables that affect the total cost of developing fantasy sports software. If we provide a rough estimate, then the cost can range somewhere between $20,000 to $50,000 for an MVP. However, the cost will rise with the full-fledged version, which will range from $50,000 to $200,000. Now, let's take a look at how fantasy sports betting apps make money. There are various methods through which fantasy sports betting apps can make money. Number 1. Subscription fees. With this method, you can charge a monthly or yearly subscription fee to your players. Additionally, you can provide premium features and benefits to encourage them to buy your subscription plan. Number 2. Participation fees. You will find many fantasy apps that will charge a participation fee to enter a league or tournament. It will help to earn some extra revenue through your app. Number 3. Advertisements. This is another method to earn money from sports brands. They will buy ad space in your app to promote their business via banners, videos, or notifications. Number 4. Data licensing. In this method, you can collect the data from users via a sports fantasy app and then you can license it to third-party companies. Here, data signifies betting patterns, behavior, and other information. Number 5. Building partnerships. You can easily advertise their sports-related products through your betting app by working with major brands. You can assist them in increasing users and sales, which will boost your revenue. If you are an entrepreneur and looking to develop a fantasy sports betting app, get in touch with Apptunics, which is a leading fantasy sports betting app development company providing services worldwide with superb results. Partnering with us will embark you on a journey towards a successful and innovative sports betting app development experience. Our primary expertise lies in mobile application development, and we offer a diverse portfolio of ready-made applications for industries such as on-demand food ordering, retail, consulting, medicine, logistics,